This is B16, and today I would like to do a tutorial on a domino trick I recently invented. And before I get into this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take a purple domino and place it on its face with its short side facing you, and then take a blue domino and place it on top of the purple domino so that if you were to look from above it would form a T, and make sure that it's overhanging as much as it can on this side, on the right side, without falling off, which means it's overhanging just a tiny bit on that side. And then take a red domino, place it horizontally on top of the blue and purple dominoes, and make sure it's also overhanging a good bit, not too much though. And then take some more teal dominoes and make a domino run leading up to that red domino. Okay, now take another purple domino, place it again on its face just like the last purple domino. Make sure that the gap between this purple domino and this blue domino is very close to 2 dominoes thicknesses. Like that. Then take another blue domino, place it just like we did the first one, so that it's overhanging as much as it can on this side and just a tiny bit on that side. Then just form as many T's following the same rules, except you only put the red domino on the first one. And it does not have to be exactly 2 dominoes thicknesses, it's just a good measurement. And then you can also curve this trick, make it turn 90 degrees. To do that, you take another purple domino, place it on its face with its long edge facing you, so that this corner is touching the corner of that purple domino. Then you can do it again. Make sure the corners are touching, and place the blue domino on. Now I really like this trick because I invented it, and it's very easy to create. And it also, I've never had a time when it's failed, which is amazing. It's super reliable. So I'm just going to do a couple more sections here, then I'll show you the next step. Okay, once you've reached the desired amount of blue and purple sections, take some more teal dominoes and place each one. So take the first one, place it bridging over the first gap between these two T's and blue dominoes. And then it doesn't matter, you can have it just like that, barely on the edge, or just like that, completely on the edge. But I'm just going to put it in the middle. Again, this trick is very reliable, so it doesn't really matter where you put it. And I'm just going to put one more section on this. Okay, once you've finished those teal dominoes, to end this trick and transform it back into a domino line, take green domino and place it on the end of the blue domino. Then just continue your domino line. Okay, so the way this will work is these dominoes will hit each other and knock off this red domino. And then this blue domino is being weighed down by that teal domino, so that will fall off. And then this domino is being weighed down by that blue domino, so it will fall off. So on until it comes here, and that blue domino is being weighed down so that the teal domino falls off. Then the green domino is weighing down that blue domino so it falls and continues the domino run. So let's hope this works. In 3, 2, 1. That was the Backwimo domino trick. Thank you very much for watching, and again, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.